Hey guys, it's Danielle. We are going to continue our series, Successful Selling. So, we talked about why right now is a great time to be preparing your home to be sold. We talked about some of the initial steps you want to take around decluttering, depersonalizing. Last time we talked about condition, right? Making sure that the house shows well, paint, floors, curb appeal, everything is on point. And today we're going to talk about repairs, right? So if there are some items in your home that need to be repaired, we would rather address that now, right? So depending on the property, I might recommend that you go ahead and do a pre-inspection. That way we know, everything that a buyer's inspector is going to find. But regardless, if you know there's some things that need to be fixed, we need to go ahead and do it, right? That is going to save you a lot of money and a lot of headache once we do get the home under contract. And, if there are repairs that we're not expecting and they're not taken care of prior to the sale, it could cause a termination of contract. And then we would have to relist the home. New buyers might be a little skeptical or just wonder what happened. So, for a lot of reasons, it's best that we go ahead and take care of these repairs now. So, if you're preparing to sell, give us a call. We'll talk to you about, what to do, which items to be concerned about. And we have great resources to help you guys take care of any outstanding repairs. So we got you. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Thanks.